Varahi healing. Inhale deep. Exhale long. Sri Mahaganadhipataye Namah. Om Ganana Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashtunvannotibissida Sadanam. Take the permission for healing from your spirit guides, from your Kula Devata. Seek their permission and their blessings. Take blessings, seek for blessings from your ancestors. Namo Gurubhyo Mahadbhyo Rishibhyo. I call upon the Saptarishis. I call upon the Adi Shankaracharya. I call upon the Guru of Adi Shankaracharya Gaudapada Maharshi. I call upon all the masters of Sri Vidya, all the masters of Adi Shankaracharya Parampara. I call upon Guru Dattatreya, Gorakhnath, Matsyendranath. I call upon my Gurudev Nityanand Baba of Ganeshpuri. Bow down to your Guru. I call upon Dakshinamurti, Lord Narayana, the Creator Brahma, Sanaka, Sanandana, Sanatana, Sanatkumara, Sanatsujata, Guru Vashishta, Guru Shakti, Guru Parashara, Guru Krishna Dvaipayana, Guru Paila, Guru Vaishampayana, Guru Jaimini, Guru Sumantu, Guru Sri Shuka, Sri Gaudapada, Sri Govinda, Sri Vidyashankara, Sri Padmapada, Sri Hastamalaka, Sri Trotaka, Sri Sureshwara, Sri Vidyaranya, and all the great gurus of Sri Vidya Parampara. I call upon the Prakata Yogini Devatas, Brahmi, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, Varahi, Mahendri, Chamunde, Mahalakshmi. I call upon these Ashtamatrika Shaktis on all 8 directions of each one of us, which are present in the first avarana of Meru Shri Chakra. Brahmi, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, Varahi, Mahendri, Chamunde, Mahalakshmi. Hands in Chin Mudra. Breathe in through your heart chakra, and instead of exhaling, Varahi. See the Divine Mother Varahi in your heart chakra. attention on solar plexus chakra, sacral chakra, Mooladhara chakra, thighs, knees, shanks or calves, ankles, toes. Take your focus into Mother Earth, Bhudevi, an aspect of Divine Ma Varahi. Please give us healing. Please give us vitality. Please energize ourselves. Pull the energy up into your toes, feet, calves, knees, thighs. Inhale this energy into Mooladhara chakra. Inhale through Mooladhara chakra. Lam. Bring the energy up into sacral. Inhale. Vam. Solar plexus. Ram. Anahata chakra. Yam. Throat. Hum. Third eye. Om Varahi Devyai Namaha. Om Varahi Devyai Namaha. Om Varahi Devyai Namaha. Crown chakra. Inhale. Varahi, 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 Varahi. Keep chanting. Varahi, Divine Ma Varahi. Please manifest in the cells of each one of us. Please fill our cells. Please keep chanting. Please keep sending your energies into our cellular structure, and please dismantle, destroy the karma. Divine Ma Varahi, Mother Varahi, Amma, Mother, please, we seek your divine blessings. We seek your divine grace. We seek your divine love and mercy. We seek your divine healing. We seek you. We love you. We just want you, your grace, your blessings. Varahi, 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 Varahi. Keep chanting. Take your attention to the solar plexus chakra. Aim Glaum Varahyai Namaha. 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 Take your attention to Muladhara Chakra. Divine Mavarahi, please heal my Muladhara Chakra and fill all the organs associated with Muladhara Chakra with your divine sacred healing energies. Varahi, Varahi, Varahi. Sacral Chakra. Feel the presence of Mother Varahi in your sacral chakra. Varahi, Varahi, Varahi. Solar plexus chakra. Feel the divine healing energy of Mother Varahi in the solar plexus. Varahi, Varahi, Varahi. You're getting healed. Heart chakra. See the energies. Feel the energies. Varahi, Varahi, Varahi. Throat. Varahi, Varahi, Varahi. Third eye. Varahi, Varahi, Varahi. Crown. Varahi, Varahi, Varahi. Inhale deep and take in all the energies of the Divine Mother. The boar faced Varahavadana, Divine Ma Varahi. Thank you for protecting my eyes. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Andhini, thank you for protecting my ears. Take your focus to the organ that I'm mentioning. You're being healed. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Rundhini, heartfelt gratitude for protecting my nose. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of the mesmerizing Mohini, thank you for protecting my tongue. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Stambhini, thank you for protecting my throat. Recreator of the universe, Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Panchami, please heal my shoulders. Thank you for healing my shoulders. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Mahishavahana, thank you for healing my upper arms. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Simharudha, thank you for healing my lower arms. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Krishna Mruganchita, thank you for healing my breasts. Divine Ma Varahi, thank you for healing my upper chest with your plow and pestle. The conch wielding mother, Varahi, in the form of Shankhini, I thank you for protecting my navel. The disc wielding divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Chakrini, thank you for protecting my back portion. The sword yielding divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Khadgini, gratitude for protecting my hips. The reproductive organs are protected by Ma Varahi in the form of Khetini. Ma Khetini, thank you for protecting my reproductive organs. The anal region in us is protected by Ma Varahi in the form of Krodhini. Divine Ma Varahi, Thank you for protecting the buttocks with in the form of Stambhini. Divine Ma Varahi, thank you for protecting my knees in the form of Shatrumardhini. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Chandochanda, thank you for protecting my thighs. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Bhadrakali, thank you for protecting my shanks and my calf muscles. Ma Varahi, in the form of Mahakali, has protected our ankles. Let's offer gratitude. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Unmatta Bhairavi, has protected, healed our feet and toes. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Kala Sankarshini, has protected all our body parts. Ma Kala Sankarshani, thank you for protecting all our body parts. Ma Kala Sankarshani, thank you for healing us. Namaskara Mudra. अस्य श्री वाराही कवचमन्त्रस्य त्रिलोचन ऋषिः अनुष्ठुप् छन्दः श्री आदिवाराही देवता ग्लौं बीजं स्वाहा शक्तिः ऐं कीलकं मम सर्वशत्रुनाशनार्थे जपे विनियोगः ध्यात्वेन्द्रनीलवर्णाभां चन्द्रसूर्याग्निलोचनां विधिविष्णुसुरेन्द्रादि मातृभैरवसेवितां हारनूपुरकेयूरावलये वलयेरुपशोभितां ज्वलन्मणिगणप्रोक्तमुकुटोज्ज्वलशोभितां शस्त्राण्यस्त्राणि सर्वाणि स्वकार्यकरणानि च करैः समस्तैर्विविधैर्बिभ्रतीं मुसलं हलं वाराही देवी कवचं भुक्तिमुक्तिफलप्रदं पठेत् त्रिसन्ध्यं रक्षार्थं घोरशत्रुनिकृन्तये वार्ताली मे शिरः पातु वाराही फालमुत्तमं नेत्रे वराहवदना पातु कर्णौ तथान्धिनी रुन्धिनी नासिका पातु मुखं पातु सुजम्भिनी पातु मे मोहिनी जिह्वां स्तम्भिनी कण्ठमादरात् स्कन्धौ तु पञ्चमी पातु भुजौ महिषवाहिनी सिंहारूढा करौ पातु कुक्षौ कृष्णमुखी सदा हलायुधं च वृक्षश्च मध्यमे मुसली मम नाभिं तु शङ्खिनी पातु पृष्ठदेशे तु चक्रिणी खड्गिनी पातु कट्यान्तु मेढ्रयोः पातु खेटकी गुदं च क्रोडिनी पातु जघनं स्तम्भिनी तथा चण्डोच्चण्डा च ऊरु मे जानुनी शत्रुमर्दिनी जङ्गाद्वयोर्भद्रकाली चामुण्डा गुल्फयोद्वयोः पादौ तदङ्गुलीश्चैव पातु चोन्मत्तभैरवी सर्वाङ्गं सततं पातु कालसन्दीपनी मम वाराही कवचं दिव्यं सर्वसिद्धिप्रदायकं सर्वशत्रुक्षयकरं सर्वकार्यं करं शुभम्. Offer your gratitude to the Divine Mother. Offer your gratitude to the Gurus that we have invoked. You all are wonderfully healed. Please do not open your eyes yet.